Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are going to learn about insert channel function. Previously we have learned about extract channel, which let us to get any channel from an image, and with this function we are going to be able to insert a single channel to any kind of image. Okay, here are the parameters. This is the single channel which we want to insert, and here is the destination image, and here is the index number of the destination image. For example, if we have an RGB kind of image, and if we want to change the second channel, if we give as input as index, and it's gonna be representing the blue channel, so we want to insert instead of blue something else which we are giving as input. Okay, let's pass to the code part and understand more clearly. And here we have already Lena image, we can see in here. So okay, here already RGB. In here it's represented as RGB, but OpenCV is C in the backend as BGR. We have always talking about this one. And first of all, let's get a channel of this and insert again to the Lena image. For example, I want to get the blue channel of this image. How to get it? We have already know about extract channel, so we can get with it, or we can call it blue channel, and it's gonna be extract channel. First of all, we are gonna give our input image, which is image, and destination is gonna be blue channel, and which index you want to extract. Since OpenCV, as I said, backend is BGR type, we need to give input 0, which is the 0th index representing the blue channel. Okay, with this we are able to get our blue channel. To see the differences, maybe we can first of all show the input image in here, and also we can see the output in this part, and this is gonna be output, and also maybe name window we need to define as output. Okay, we have already extracted this blue channel, and after this we want to insert this to any other index of this image. For example, since we get the blue, maybe we can insert to the red channel of this image this blue channel. Let's do it, and calling our insert channel function. And first of all, we need to give the input we want to insert, which is blue channel, which we extracted already, and the destination is gonna be image. And after that, we need to give the just like the extract channel, we need to give the index number which we want to change or which we want to add. Okay, and since it's reading as BGR, we want to replace with red channel, so we need to give S2, let's say, and it's gonna add this blue channel to the red channel. So, and at the output we will see again image. Okay, let's see the result. Yeah, here is output and here is the input. If I, with my cursor, if I overlay on the image, you see below red channel is the index value is 136, and blue is same also. You see, because we replaced the red channel with blue. But in here is difference, of course. It still remains. The red channel is not changed because it's input and is different than the blue channel. But in here, all of the pixel values is the red channel is equal to blue channel because we have changed it. Okay, if we change the green part, also we can green channel. We can see in here. Yeah, you will see in this part green and the blue channels are same. They are equal to each other because we replaced green channel with the blue channel. And yeah, insert channel was very similar to the extract channel as usage, and in this video I just wanted to talk about this shortly. See you in the next videos.